Assalamualaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 13. Cardinality of a set. The number of element of a set is called its cardinal number, and cardinality of a set A, B, C, D is 4. Symbol used in set. Students should learn these symbols and meanings and examples. First is equal to, set with exactly the same members. Second is not equal to, not equal to. Third, or equivalent set is a member of fourth. Fifth is not a member of. Sixth is the empty or the null set. It has no members. Is a subset of. 7 is a subset. 1, 2, 3 and B is a 1, 2, 3. B is a subset of A. 8 is a proper subset. Proper subset. Cite that. Okay. X like that. X is a day of the week. Exercise 1E, filling the blanks. A unit set is also called a singleton. Second, a set of all integers is an infinite set. A symbol of empty represents an empty set. Two sets that contain the same numbers of elements are called equivalent set. A power set contains all the possible subsets of a set. 6. A proper subset is denoted by the symbol proper subset. The number of elements in a set is called its cardinality.